Chemical kinetics dealing with the factors affecting the rate of a reaction. In these factors, we are going to talk about concentration effect. Concentration, how it is affecting on the rate and the pressure. In similar way, volume also will come. Then catalyst will come. Then temperature will come. First of all, when you are talking about the effect of concentration. Effect of concentration on rate of a reaction. In this one, rate also will come. When you are talking about the effect of concentration on the rate we studied. Then, to express very clearly, other one is there. That is rate expression. That is rate expression. For any reaction, rate expression means I will take AA plus BB gives CC DD. For a reaction, for this reaction, rate we are going to say means rate expression is discussing about the expressing of rate in each and every term in a reaction. Each and every term means each and every reactant, each and every product. It is A moles of A reacting with B moles of B, forming C moles of C and D moles of D. So that to standardize the reaction, to talk about the reaction rate, it is discussing with a single mole. Single mole. A mole means this much. 1 mole means 1 by A. They are going to disappear. So that what I am writing minus. They are going to disappear. So 1 by A, 1 by A. So the d by dt of concentration of A. This square bracket is important. Square bracket representing the concentration of A. That is equal to, again, it is also reactants, it is also consuming. So that minus sign for B moles, I need 1 mole. So that 1 by B, d by dt, concentration of B. That is equal to C forming. So that positive for 1 mole, 1 by C, d by dt of concentration of C. That is equal to plus 1 by d by dt of concentration of D. That is what? Here, what we are going to say is, this is called as rate of reaction. This is also rate of reaction. This is also rate of reaction. This is also rate of the reaction. And only, fully this is called as the rate of reaction. And minus of d by dt is called as rate of disappearance of A. Disappearance of A, rate of consuming of A. In a similar way, B also you can write. This term representing rate of disappearance of A. This term talking about rate of disappearance of B. Only this term talking about rate of appearance of C. This term talking of rate of appearance of D. That is what all the 4 will be there here. All the 4 will be there here. And after that, rate law. What is this rate law? Rate law is talking about for a reaction, any reaction, rate of a reaction directly proportional to the molar concentration of reactant. What are the reactants? A is the reactant and B is the reactant. Molar concentration of reactants which are raised to some powers x and y. This x may be equal to A, this y may be equal to B, but there is no rule x must be equal to A, y must be equal to B. May be equal. X and y are there some other. These x and y can be written based on experimental results. R is directly proportional to concentration of A and concentration of B which are raised to their powers equal to some numbers, not the stoichiometric coefficients. Sometimes A and B may be there. X may be equal to A, Y may be equal to B, but that is not a compulsory. R is equal to K into A power X, B power Y. This is a rate law. This is almost, it's like a law of mass action. In law of mass action, A and B will be there, compulsory. In a rate law, X and Y, these are experimental. In a laws of mass action, A and B are from the equation. Here, this K is called as what? Rate constant. This K is called as rate constant. Rate constant, how can you define? For example, R is equal to, if the reactants this will become 1, this will become 1. For example, this is 1 means what is that? K is equal to 1 power x, 1 power y. So R is equal to K. R is equal to K. If you want to define the rate constant, how can you define? Rate constant is nothing but the rate of reaction when concentration of the reactants are unity. Rate of a reaction at unit concentration of reactants is called as rate constant. For a rate constant, what we can say? For a rate constant, units how can you say? A gives some products. Rate law is equal to K into what is that? A power some n. A power some n. You are going to write here. K rate means what? Delta C. Delta C by delta T. This is K is equal to A power n. Here K is equal to what I can write? Delta C by delta T. Here this A power n coming down here. Coming this side. The multiplying here going to divide A power n like this. And now what I can say now? K is the rate. I am going to study the units now. What are the units here? Delta C, that is also what is that? Moles per liter. And time means that is seconds. Here 1 by. It is also concentration. Concentration means moles per liter whole power n. How can I say units? Mole, this mole by liter. Second word, this liter will go up. This liter power n will go up. Then mole power n. If you want to write very clearly units of K, what is the units of K here? Mole power 1 minus n. Mole power 1 minus n. Liter power n minus 1. N minus 1. What is that? Second inverse. What I am giving is K units is equal to, I am writing like this. Moles minus of n minus 1 liter n minus 1, that is second inverse. This is important. Based on this we can find out the order of the reaction. N is here order of a reaction. Order of a reaction. Units are important. Order of reaction. Here n is equal to 1 means n is equal to 1 means n is equal to 0 means that is a zero order reaction. N is equal to 1 means that is a first order reaction. 2 means second order reaction. 3 means third order reaction. Keep on going like that. Keep on going like that. Keep on going like that. Here there are different types of orders are there. Zero order, first order, second order, third order. We are going to study now zero order reactions. What is this zero order reaction? Zero order, again I am going to write a rate law. What is rate law? Rate is equal to K into A power n. Generally A power n. I am talking about zero order reaction, so it will be 0. So that R is equal to K into A power 0 will be 1. So that R is equal to K. R means what? Rate of a reaction is equal to K means constant. So that for zero order reaction, what I can write? Irrespective of the concentration, what I can write? Rate of reaction is same. What is the rate I am going to with time? Rate I am doing here, time I am doing here. So rate will be constant. This is the graph for a zero order reaction. And now based on the equation only graph is coming. This is easy to learn. And after that, what I can say? In case I am not deriving here, directly I am writing. You are deriving this. What are you going to derive? A gives B. Rate is equal to minus dA by dt. That is equal to what I can write? K only na. Here what I am write? dA by minus K dt. After that, you are going to integrate on both sides. What is coming here? A is coming here. Here K, T is coming. At the time, if t value will be 0, at the time a will be initial, k plus c, no, plus c will come integration. Here t will be 0, this value will be 0, overall value will be 0. C is like a naught. After we are going to substitute at is equal to minus kt plus a naught. What I can write here is minus kt is equal to at minus a naught. Minus kt, that side we are going to send means what is coming? A naught minus at, because a is a bigger value than at. A naught minus at by what is coming? T coming. So k is equal to, here this is a change that I am going to learn as a x by t. Directly I have to write this one. So I am deriving for a one equation. K is equal to x by t. K is equal to x by t. X is nothing but what? X is nothing but what? A naught. X is nothing but what? A naught minus AD. A naught minus AD. A naught minus AD. K is equal to x by t. X nothing but A naught minus AD. A naught bigger value, AD small value. For this also we can write a graph here. What is the graph here? This and all we are going to consider as a one term. At the time what I can write? KT. What I can write? KT is equal to A naught minus AD. It is like a, what is that? Y mx. Y is equal to mx. What is it? It is a line passing through the origin. X coordinate will be t. Y coordinate will be A naught minus AD. This is also other graph we can write. This is also other graph we can write for this zero order reactions. Generally, for a zero order reaction, what we have to remember is rate is constant. Rate is constant, and these are all the graphs. And some examples are there. Decomposition of ammonia, decomposition of HI. These are all examples for zero order reactions. Mainly what are coming here is all photochemical reactions. Photochemical reactions are coming under zero order reaction. For example, N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. There is a catalyst Fe. All the photochemical reactions are coming under zero order. Other example is N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. It is a zero order reaction. Time being, the rate will be constant. Why the rate will be constant? When you are taking catalyst Fe, there are fixed number of active sites are there on Fe. Fixed number of active sites means what? It can allow only 4 molecules of reactants. 4 molecules of reactant it is going to allow for a one time. That 4 only converting into product. That 4 are going into product means again. And the other set of 4 will come. They are going to convert into product. Other set of 4 will come. They are going to converting into product. So each 2 minutes they are going to have means 4 are going. Next 2 minutes 4 are going. Next 2 minutes 4 are going. So 4 by 2 how much? 2. That is why always 2 only the rate. That is why rate is a constant for a zero order reaction. All the photochemical reactions are coming out of this one. Decomposition of ammonia and formation of HCl. H2 plus Cl equals to HCl. That is also coming under zero order reactions only. And what we are going to study is next one, first order reaction. First order reaction. In this first order reaction, directly I am giving the formula. What is that? First order reaction. What is the first order reaction? Again, for a gives B. A gives B. Rate law. What is the rate law? What is the rate law for this one? R is equal to K into A power 1. This is the first law. First order reaction, so that one I am writing here. Here, what is the meaning of this R? Minus of dA by dt. That is equal to K A power 1. What I am writing similar test, I am writing similar side. So this here I am writing this side. dA by A, that minus also I am telling, minus K dt. So integrating on both sides. Integrate what is coming? Integration on both sides. What is coming here? 1 by A. Okay, right? Log A. Log A that is equal to minus KT plus C. Minus KT plus C. Here at a time t is equal to 0. That means reaction not started. Reaction not started, this time will be 0. At the time Ln this initial this A will become initial concentration A naught. At the time this value will be 0, that is C. C value will be A naught. So that keep that 2 in 1. What is that? 2 in 1. 2 in 1. What I can write 2 in 1 means log of A gives minus KT plus log A naught. What I am writing is this KT is on this side. What is that? Ln A naught ln A. What I am writing? KT is equal to log A minus log B. What is the formula? Log A by B. What is that? Ln you are writing is base E will be there. Log you are writing is base 10 will be there. Here what I need? K I need. K I need means 1 by T log A naught by AT. Here K is equal to this Ln I am going to convert into log. Ln is equal to 2.303 log. The base 10 is base E. That is the relation got to mathematics. So that what I can write? 2.303 by T log of A naught by AT. This is the very important formula. This is very important formula there. And after that, what I am going to write is there will be a graphical representation for that one. There will be you can write a graphical representation. What is the graphical representation? I will take this one. I will take for a graph. For a graph, what I will take is anything I will take. Here this one I will take. Why this one I will take? It is looking like y is equal to mx plus c. Why c is a constant? A naught is the initial constant, so it is a constant. This is like a constant. It is like a c. So what I am writing? Ln log a minus kt plus ln a naught. It is like a y. It is like a m. It is like a x. It is like a c. What is the graph we can write? Which is positive or negative slope? Slope is negative. So this side, like this coming. So what is our y-axis? Ln a. What is our x-axis? Time. What is the slope here? What is the slope here? Slope is nothing but m here. What is that? Minus a. What is the c? C means intersecting point. What is the c value here? Ln a naught. No sir, I am going to write in terms of log. Log means 2.303. How can you write the same thing? 2.303 log a, that is equal to minus kt plus 2.303 log a naught. Divide with log a naught both sides. Divide with 2.303 on both sides. What does that mean? Log a, that is equal to minus k by 2.303 t, that is log a naught. For this also same thing. Here what is that? Here t is there. Here x value will be, what is that? Y value will be log a, negative slope. What is the slope here? Minus k by 2.303. This is what the graphical representation. And other one also we can write here. What is other one here? This one we can take. Other graph. For this one, what is the graph I can write? See, kt is equal to ln a naught by at. I am adjusting minus kt is equal to ln at by a naught. That is equal to here e will be there now. What I can write? Based on Logarithm definition, what I can write? At by a naught is equal to e power minus kt. At is equal to a naught e power minus kt. This is also other form of first order reaction. For this, for this one, what is the graph I can write for this expression? What is the graph we can write is, see, here the graph is coming like this, exponential graph. Exponential graph here, concentration of A will be this side and this is a time graph. This is the time on the x-axis. This exponential graph will come like this. This is also belongs to first order reaction. For a first order reaction, generally who are coming? All the radioactive reactions. Okay, that radioactive decay. Radioactive elements reactions all are coming under first order reactions. All are coming under first order reactions. First order reactions here. First order